The Magistrate Court sitting in Wuse, the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, has granted bail to the spokesman Coalition of United Political Parties, Ikenga Imogo Chinyere. Bail in the sum of 200,000 and a surety who is a civil servant not less than level 8. The Chief Magistrate Olaide Akoni also ordered the police not to rearrest Ugo Chinyere. Ugo Chinyere was arraigned in court by the FCT Commissioner of Police, pleaded not guilty to all 4 counts of defamation and injurious falsehood against the Speaker, Femi Gbajabiamila. The prosecution counsel, however, prayed the court that Ugo Chinyere be remanded in the police custody until investigations are concluded. But this was not acceded to.
I opposed the application for bail because the investigation is not completed yet. Some defendants in the matter have not been apprehended, and there is need for the defendant here present to identify those people to the investigators, and that was the reason why I applied that the defendant be remanded in Maitama police station.
On the part of the defense counsel, he noted that the court only restated the position of the law, which was binding before it was disregarded.
The court declined to be part of the illegality being perpetrated by the complainants. So I think it's a victory for democracy and rule of law.
So are you satisfied with the bail terms?
Yes, we are satisfied, particularly with the order of the court. Herein, the court re-emphasized the fact that the complainants is also restrained from further rearresting the defendants.
Meanwhile, the FCT High Court sitting in Buhari had earlier ordered the immediate and unconditional release of the CPP spokesman. The presiding judge, Othman Musa, in a judgment, also ordered the enforcement of an earlier order by the Federal High Court restraining the police and the DSS from arresting or detaining Ikenga. The judge, Othman Musa, frowned at the disobedience of the pre-existing order by security agencies, saying it is an affront to the courts. Lawyer to Ugo Chinyere, Chibuzo Ezike, while referring to an ex parte motion dated 19th June 2020, prayed for an order of unconditional release of the spokesman of CPP who was arrested on the 18th of June 2020 at the INEC headquarters. Ezike said in quote, "We are praying the court for an order of the Honorable Court for the unconditional release of the applicant who has been in detention since last week." End of quote. The court in a ruling said in quote, "The order praying the court for an unconditional release is hereby granted. The earlier order restraining the respondent from arresting, detaining the applicant in any manner is hereby reaffirmed." Ikenga thereafter addressed the press after he perfected his bail conditions.
This is not about me or about what I represent, but it's about the fact that this nation is drifting into disaster and that we must stand up to hold people accountable. That the failure of today is because you have a parliament that have refused to hold the president accountable. That is why Gbajabiamila feels that my voices are among the voices that should be crushed. But he cannot crush the supreme voice of the people that is louder than his own voice. The parliament must sit up and hold the executive to accountability. That is the only way they can prove that they are not political hallelujah boys. And I have a message to Femi Gbajabiamila. This part Abacha went it didn't work. This part many people before you went it didn't work. There is no way you can silence this voice that is God in speaking in defense of truth. There's no way you can compulsorily vaccinate Nigerians even when the vaccine has not been found. There's no way you can take homes of people under the guise of infection. These are issues that are sacred. And all these attempts to silence us will not work. Our voices will continue to be heard. No matter what, even if there is a gun on my head, I want to assure Nigerians that I will keep speaking out.
Yeah. After all was said and done, the police could be cited supposedly preparing to whisk him away for reasons best known to them. But the crowd surrounding the just-released spokesperson prevented them, and Ikenga thereafter left the court premises in the midst of his supporters.
Yes.